Welcome everyone to my new episode of price prediction for July 2024 on Polkadot cryptocurrency. Like I said, this is a type of an altcoin market season right now that is going to surprise people. We have been going through a difficult momentum for the past couple of months, indeed, especially for the altcoins. But at the time, we are talking about a retail market shifting into bearishness exactly during the last couple of weeks, which is quite tremendous to me. How after retracements of 40, 50, 60% corrections, people turn bearish. This is nuts. This is incredible to me. And that's how usually the retail market does, especially the unsuccessful traders. Now, the successful traders have a template of thinking. When retail turns bearish, it's clear we're going to the upside. Let's find out more about Polkadot, guys. Enjoy the video, like this one, subscribe to the channel in the meantime, and let's take a look at what's happening on the total crypto market cap, excluding BTC and Ethereum. It is a chart which is clearly finding its support representation. It is in a momentum right here that is about to be built stronger and stronger. The selling pressure force, which is marked with the red line, is about to cross the signal line, and that's a bullish representation. That's a good one out there for the daily. Right now, what do we target? It's pretty much simple: the resistance trending line and eventual breakout out of that, which is going to accelerate a type of a altcoin season possibility. Before we continue, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, we have the one-on-one coaching for those of you that are serious about a crypto space, would like to dive into deep and make sure to trade correctly based on how does the markets communicate. A one-on-one coaching, I like to talk about it at the end of the video, including about the done-for-you trading. You can be part of my trading journey without any prior fees, just a commission from the profits we make, totally done for you. Polkadot. This is where we are, guys, with this crypto. Definitely not in a bad shape at all. We just broke out of a downtrending environment line. On the daily, this has been surviving for 105 days. So this means a lot, guys. 105 days, you've been surviving below this level without any significant buying pressure going on that has been constructed for a long period of time. Definitely we didn't done anything like that. Simply, we've been just slaughtered to a significant percentage of retracement. By measuring the entire movement, we have been actually slaughtered a 55% on the price action. On a 2x leverage, you know that's more than 100% margin, and that's a complete liquidation of the field, especially for the ones that bought into the top. And even the ones that bought a little lower, the decrease is still very, very strong. So at the end of the day, what we have to consider right now and realistically accept that we just broke out and confirmed that, right? So indeed, there is pressure going on today. BTC is the one that generated this pressure, and there is some dumping going on that field. That's right. But this cryptocurrency is actually separating itself from BTC as we speak. And this is a very positive sign. On top of that, you get the Andean oscillator selling pressure crossing the signal line and decreasing its power. And you got basically the bullish presence as well being active. This is something we need. We're gonna get to our targets that are, obviously set at variable levels. The first one we actually care about is, not gonna be that golden pocket anymore. Yeah, what we care about here is, definitely a structure level that has to be transformed. The $7.7, $7.8 has to be transformed to your support, and you're going straight to the, 9.8 up to the $10 mark into that high right there. Basically, this is what you're targeting. Now, the question is, are we going to touch that in July, or do we have to touch that in July? Well, percentage-wise, we need an increase of 15%. In a good month, you can do anywhere between 30 to 50% without being that kind of a crazy altcoin season, right? So it's just an altcoin rally between 30 and 50% can be achieved in a good month, which means that we're actually going to get into the, range and zone between the current supply and the golden pocket right there. This is exactly between 7.7 up to the $10 mark. That's exactly where we have to finish in July. If we finish above, it's still great, it's even better. but we cannot finish below, which means you cannot finish in July below $7.8. You have to finish above that. You have to break this structure and change it. By breaking it, you change the market structure you're trading, and you're going to be in a total different direction for the upcoming period, which has to start being more and more bullish as it looks like. I mean, we're just portraying what we see on the charts, which is why I'm telling you it has to, because this is what it looks like at the moment. And in order to deliver those numbers, it has to become stronger and stronger. This is where Polkadot is situated at the moment. Definitely not bearish at all. It just grabbed the lows for the last time. You broke out positively, and you're just trying to, hold on to the markets right now. If you would have had BTC increasing 5%, Polkadot would actually do 15 to 20% movements, right? So you just pretty much need Bitcoin, which is sitting right now around $61,000. You need it on $72, $73, $74, $74,000 for Polkadot to get itself quickly into the upper zone of the market, and that's going to be a total game changer. Chill out, folks. Relax. Polkadot looks great at the moment. Whatever selling pressure you're going to get, it's going to be bought up. It's going to be less powerful than what we get on the BTC side in terms of the selling pressure. So at the moment, it is in a much better shape than it was in the last couple of months since March. For the first time, it's clear that Polkadot broke out of something that is meaningful. Enjoy, guys. For those of you that care about my trades, my education, if you would like to become a trader, if you're serious about a topic, you want to check out the website that describes how does the one-on-one coaching works. Register now for a free call and check out the Done For You trading. There's many other videos on my channel as well on how do I trade and all those things that are performing out there in the market. Talk to you soon, and check out this video till the end where I'd like to describe to you how these things are working. Enjoy. And now I would like to talk for those of you that believe in education and care about their performance. So it's time to share more details about my one-on-one coaching program. This is done with me live, where I'll take you by hand, just like I said, and teach you how to trade from A to Z, which means starting from the mindset psychology side into the technical analysis, understanding the language of the market, encrypting the charts, and being familiar with the language in terms of what does the market communicates with you. Understand the whole process, and then know how to react to those messages that the markets are delivering to you guys. Knowing how to react obviously is a sophisticated process. How to trade, when to trade, what to trade, when to exit, how to exit, and how to deal with an active trade. All the situations that are considered complex and a trader needs to know. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time trading, it doesn't matter. What matters is you need to increase your educational level in order to perform in the markets correctly and most likely in a predictable way. Trading is not gambling. Not at all. Trading is a type of activity where a person is trading an asset when the probabilities of a direction are very high. So he has the ability to recognize those moments when a probability compared to the other, so a energy of bullishness or bearishness, is having a very, very strong possibilities of going into a direction. This is when a trader steps in and it is in advantage towards the market, so he's trying to make money with that. That's the whole idea of the process. It's definitely not something that has a very, very high level of unknown and random outcome at all the times. No, there are situations like that as well. I can confirm that. Been trading since 2014 full time. But the idea is that there are situations where the randomness or the unpredictability is not high. And that makes the spots for the traders. So check out the video to understand how does it work. Register now for a free conversation with me, a one-on-one coaching where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you how to trade on Zoom conversations with homework, with exercises, with everything that is needed. Just like for the completely done for you on the trading side, if you'd like to be part of my trades, you can definitely do so without any prior fees.
just a commission from the profits we earn. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. This is my journey. You can check out the links in the description area, in the comments area for everything. It's completely done for you. We are using our ChatGPT bot for trading. It helps us to perform, it helps us to run the analysis, and it helps for the accuracy side. So it's done through API trading permission, and it's simple, straightforward. I can explain you more. Just reach out to me if you think this is a good option for you. Have a good time around it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll talk to you soon.